As all you 6th-gen Cummins guys know, tuning is locked down on these trucks. Edge introduced the Easy Module, which is a super cool solution. Plug and play installation and can add over 100 wheel horsepower. Today, we're gonna do an install. Again, only takes a few minutes. You can do it right in your garage. These are available at fastmotorsports.com, along with a huge selection of suspension, wheels, tires, and other items for your vehicle. Let's get this installation started. Open it up, nice packaging like Edge always does. Got your owner's manual, install, the module itself. And then the wiring harness. So here we have the wiring harness. This obviously goes to the module. And then this is your fuel rail pressure. It's one way. Take your plug out, plug in factory here, plug this into the fuel rail pressure sensor, and then this goes into a service port. Step one, all you need is a 10mm. Let's disconnect the negative battery terminals. Disconnecting the negative battery terminals prevents you from having DTC codes pop up. So we've already removed the dipstick. We're gonna make this a little easier for you guys to see. We loosened 3 of the bolts. There's 4 of them on the EGR cover. We're gonna take that cover off just so you guys can see what we gotta unplug down here and get to it. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna route all your plugs so nothing's in the way. Comes with a nice set of zip ties. We'll get this installed over the intake. You unplug this right here. There is a yellow clip on the fuel rail pressure sensor. You just gotta pull that clip out and then you can depress the plug. We'll route this over with the other plugs. These will only go one way. So factory connector goes here. Make sure you hear it click. Relock it back in with the yellow tab. And then same with the Edge Easy Module plug. Hear the click and pop the yellow tab in place. It's locked. There's a plug down here. So take that little piece of rubber off, remove that, and plug the harness into there. Make sure you hear the click. So zip tie everything up to this factory harness. All right, so next it needs battery power. Disconnect or move everything here from the box, and we'll hook it up to battery power. Put the cover back on, and then we'll hook up the Edge Easy Module. Make sure you hear it click, click, and then let's hook the battery power back up. So we'll get both battery terminals back installed, and then we'll power on. So there's the Edge Easy Module. We'll get that downloaded. All right, so we'll open the app, and look, it's already connected. Stock, dude, 20, 40, 60, 80, 110 horsepower. All right, let's get a rag, mount a clean spot. To put the module on. Just get that mounted right there. Stick it down. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. We're gonna get this truck back to the owner.
Holy Dude, that's way different.
Yeah.
Like, way different. I didn't even get going. My God, dude. That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
I actually just watched my fuel gauge go down a little bit too. That's the best part. Dude, that's unreal. Just the way it sets you in a seat.
Yeah, it pulls the whole way.